are going to start chicken broth. I have the last of my beef broth in my can right now, and it's heating up. Oh, so we're going to start chicken broth. Now, chicken broth does not take as long as beef broth. Beef broth, you have to let it go a good 2 days, whereas 12 to 24 hours is good for a chicken. Now, this is going to be kind of like my beef broth on terms of the amount of vegetables that I put in. It's going to be more of a bone broth than a veggie bone broth, if that makes sense. Like, I have the carrots, so of course those are going to go in. And then it's mostly just going to be chicken. A little bit of seasoning. I'm not even going to put an onion in it this time, or garlic, because I'm out of garlic and I only have, okay, I'm not sure where I was, ran out of memory, but it's going to be mainly bones and seasonings, and I actually have 4.5 pounds of chicken legs, and that's bone and skin on, as you can see. I have the carrots. I am going to add garlic powder and onion powder, but I'm not adding the rest of the stuff. It's just going to be a really chickeny broth, which is perfect. And let me tell you, the beef broth, there was about, almost a half pint's worth that was left over. So I just drank it, and oh my goodness, it tasted like it had had a roast in there for days. Oh, it was so good. Now this is bone and skin on chicken breast that I'd cooked off 2 days ago, and it just has an herb seasoning on it, so that's going in there. And I took the chicken off of it. There's a little bit left, and then this is frozen. I gotta put you down, baby. This is more just leftover. Oh, there we go. It's just more leftover that I was going to throw in. So, to this, we are going to add salt. And this is sea salt that you can with. We're going to add pepper. If I can find my pepper. Pepper. And then, come here, I'll pick you back up. We're going to add bay leaf, of course. Gotta have bay leaves. Oh, I'm trying to get done before my canner starts doing its thing, because then you really won't be able to hear me. Throw some of them in. Apple cider vinegar. A couple glugs of that. Okay. Now I'm just going to fill this up with water and then let it go for the 12 to 24 hours. And again, this is my 20-quart stock pot, and I'm going to fill it up. I'm also going to add garlic powder and onion powder as soon as I find it. So I hope you stick around for the end result, because this is going to be delicious. Alright, so 2 days later, here is my delicious chicken broth. I actually did this for closer to 36 hours, and it is almost as dark as my beef broth. I am just beyond thrilled with the outcome, and it is so chickeny and rich and so good for you. Now, I didn't get to stop, baby. I didn't get to video the me filling up the jars. These are the same as my beef broth. I let them cool, and I strained all, well, I scooped out the chicken fat and then ladled them into hot jars with an inch of head space. I wiped the rim of my jar like I always do with white vinegar, And then these processed in the pressure canner, 10 pounds of pressure for 25 minutes again because we did quarts. And they all came out beautifully. I ended up getting 13 quarts of my chicken broth, and we are coming on soup season. The past 2 days have been so nice outside. We've had the air conditioning off and the windows open, and it's just been cool, crisp, actually a little rainy, but you know what? I don't even care because the humidity is down and it's cold outside, and I'm loving it. This is one of my favorite times of year, and it is finally upon us. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can see how easy making your own broth is, and it's so much more healthful and beneficial to you by making homemade bone broth versus just chicken stock from the store. And I also, especially in this video, you don't have to have the vegetables, and you can use leftover chicken bones and leftover chicken to help flavor it however you like. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching.